Kishu inu is one of the fastest and one of the unique cryptocurrency this time in the all crypto market. No coin will get a 54.94% profit in last 24 hours this time in the crypto market. Just in only one of the unique Kishu inu will get this huge profit, and remember my brothers, to no coin will hit this target. Absolutely this huge my friends target. Yes my brother. Let's get started, my friend. The live price prediction to upcoming time. The Kishu inu will completely blooms. The very huge explosion is coming soon now. So please try to understand. This video is very important for you now. Let's get started a brand video. But please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel, Kishu inu coin holder. Why you not click out the subscribe button? Just subscribe this channel. I will give you 100% guarantee to you will get a very good profit in every week, every month. So please don't miss this chance. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. Kishu inu price will increasing, and previous days, my friend, as you can see here, urgently they were starting moving upward, and holder are not understand to what is this. But in this time, you can see your holder are starting very fastly buying, because my brother, the price is increasing. Remember to, if a price will starting pumping, if a price is increasing, so the holder are decide to this is very good time to we will starting buying. Yes my brother, you are 100% right. You will need to buy it in this time, because my brother, the price is increasing. And remember to, if you starting buying, then the market cap is increasing, and when a market cap is increasing, then 100% my friend, the percentage you can see here 54.94%, this percentage is increasing. And when this is increasing, so definitely this is represent my friend the price, because this is the 54%, the price is increasing now, so therefore the price is increasing now. So definitely my friend, if you are starting investing, then the price will be increasing now. So kindly holder, if you have any plan to invest now in those days, absolutely it's a really good decision my brother. But please research personally. My advice, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down and wait for the end of month, or wait for a fails my friend. When they were fails down, just and only urgently sell now. Otherwise don't sell it my friends. I am 100% sure to Kishu inu will give you a very good profit, because the price is increasing day by day, minute by minute. So therefore I hope my friends to Kishu inu will give you a profit now. So thanks for watching Kishu inu coin holder. My video is very short now for all of you, but this is very important for all of you, so hope you understand. For more this type informative and urgent update video, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.